Alright, so for getting started with changing out the cutter blade and sharpening disc on your air-powered Accu-Cut machine, this is what you're going to need to get started. A7 rated cut gloves, a 5/32 Allen T-handle, a 9/16 ratcheting wrench, and then you'll need your sharpening disc and your cut blade. Before you begin, you want to double check that your carriage is moved away from the box so you can access behind it. Just go on ahead and push your carriage control back. So after you have your carriage pushed back and out of the way, you're going to come on down here and go on ahead and unplug the machine. And then you'll reach behind the control box here, lift up on the latch, and you can open the box all the way. So before we begin disassembly, you need to go on ahead and put on your A7 rated cut gloves. Alrighty, and now we're ready to begin. So after you have your control box open and the machine powered off, you're going to take a 9/16 wrench and go on ahead and loosen up the sharpening disc. And it'll come off with a spring, the bolt, and a little cap. And you just take the sharpening disc off like that, set it off to the side there, and then you'll grab your 5/32 T-handle, and you're gonna wanna find the hole that's on the blade, and you're gonna stick the T-handle in that hole there, and you're gonna spin it until that T-handle catches, and then you'll use your 9/16 to loosen the bolt. And I like to keep the Allen in the hole there while I loosen everything so it holds the blade and it doesn't fall. And then you just set everything off to the side, and then you can just pull back on your Allen while holding the blade and gently remove it out. Go on ahead and take your new blade, remove it from the packaging, be very careful. And then you're going to take your 5/32 Allen, pass it on through, slip the blade into the cut track slot, get the Allen to a secure position so you can line it up on the shaft and hold it in place there while you slap the blade cap on, and be sure to hold the blade cap tight. Get your bolt ran in, hold tight, and get the bolt finger tight. And then go on ahead, tighten up the cutter blade, but you don't want to go too tight, otherwise you might strip the threads on the bolt. Next up, you're going to go on ahead and reinstall the sharpening disc. Go on ahead and slide it on its stud there, and then you can take the cap, put that in, followed by tightening everything up with the spring and bolt. Get it nice and finger tight. Tighten it up till the washer is about, the back side of the washer is flush with the cap, which should give you enough room for it to spring a little bit. Now at this point, we're ready to go on ahead and close the box and sharpen the blade. So get it latched back up. Take your power cable. Once you're booted up, go on ahead and log in. Hit your cutter safety button and run the cutter into the sharpening disc. Now you're good to go.